Namaskar. Good afternoon, everyone. Innovative Noble. It's me, Kavita Guru, basic level coordinator as well as social teacher. First of all, I will request our guardians and our viewers, please subscribe our YouTube channel, comment, like, and more you can share. And don't forget the press bell icon. First of all, I am going to class 2. I am going likewise a book because all books are provided by our school. So I hope all students can take the books. So I will start from unit 1. Previous my class, I already teach them my family and my neighbors. Today I will start with lesson 1. The lesson 1 is what does Rohit do every day? The lesson name is what does Rohit do every day? Yeah, everyone can do homeworks in our home, and the students of our schools they get up in early morning, wake up and freshen up and then do some homeworks and then ready for school, and they came to school and they doing the school works, and after they go to home and they doing homework and the regular work and then sleep. Same here is the Rohit does. The first we can read this lesson. Rohit is a 7 years old. He is a student. Rohit is a 7 years old. I think all the class 2 students, the age is same like Rohit. Rohit is 7 years old and he also student. He is in a grade 2. He also study in a grade 2. He goes to school every day except Saturday. Yes, our school also running every week but except Saturday. He is a good child to his parents. All the students good for our parents. So same, the Rohit also a good child for his parents. Also he is a very good student at school. Rohit also is a good student of our school. Rohit get up is at 6 o'clock in the morning. He goes to the bathroom. Brush his teeth, wash up his face, and his mother gives a glass of milk for him. Yes, all the students wake up early in the morning. They can fresh up, same like Rohit. I hope all are doing same like Rohit. He drinks up and start doing his homework. Rohit can drink the full of glass and doing his remaining homework. He can not done at the previous night, so can he done the remaining homework at the morning. When homework is finished, he has his breakfast. All the students before coming to school, they can eat the breakfast like Rohit. Then he say goodbye to his mother and goes to school. All the students before go to the school, you can say leaving the home, you can say with your parents like goodbye. That is our respecting words, and also polite words also. At school he has to do a lots of reading things. Yes, if your school we can enter the school, the lots of things we can reading in there. The first periods up to 6 periods, there are different subjects we can read and write. His first period is social. Rohit's first period is social. Today his teacher will ask him what he does at home. Today the Rohit's teachers ask him what can do at your home today. Then the Rohit does his classwork quickly. Because everyone know that the Rohit is a good student at his school, as well as he is a good child to his parents. So he liked the classwork. He can doing the classwork very fastly, and his teacher say good boy. His teacher tell him and his smile. Everyone can appreciate. We can smile and we can we can little bit shy, and we can feel very proud. We can the good student, we can do the everything that the teachers gives. All the teachers, all the students are feeling good when the teachers appreciate them. So same the Rohit teachers appreciate him. So he a little bit smile and little bit shy. At 1 o'clock he take his lunch. Our school also have a lunch time, lunch period. So Rohit does also have a lunch time. He take his lunch at 1 o'clock. His school finish at 3 o'clock. Rohit's school finish at 3 o'clock. Then he return home, and then he return home, change his clothes, fresh up, and will give up some to eat his mother. His tell him. And after we going to school, and then our mother also give food some, and they say you can change your uniform, take your things in a right place, and you can eat some breakfast, you freshen up like this. Same Rohit's mother said. Okay mama, he tell her in the evening he watched television for some time. Rohit after he going to school, after he going to home, and he doing some homework, and he eat some thing whatever his mother gives, and he watched the TV for some time. I think all students watch the TV watch the TV for some time at home. The TV is good for us, but much we can watch the TV, it's harmful for us, because the Rohit also loves the cartoon, but he doesn't watch much TV, because he knows that the TV gives information also, but TV also gives us harm, like some bad, because I said more we can watch more TVs, the bad for our eyes. He say that. The lesson is finished. Loves to watch cartoon. I hope all the students love watch cartoon. He does watch more TV. He said if we watching much more TV, it's bad for our eyes. So Rohit said if we watch our more watch TV, it's bad for our eyes. It's bad for our our habits. So I hope all students watch TV, but not much watch more TVs. Thank you. The lesson is finished. Now I will give the homework, class 2. Please write it them. Okay, the page number 10. Question number 1. Match the following. First question is match the word on the left with those on the right. Match the word. I already done. First question you can done same like this. The question number 2. Write the Rohit does at home. Write what Rohit does at home. I already read the lesson. You can also read the lesson at your home. And write what Rohit does at home. First already done. Rohit gets up at 6 o'clock. Remaining 1, 2, 3 and 4 you can write yourself. You can read first the lesson and then you can write it. I also done this. And the question number 3, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First you can read the lesson and read carefully and fill this gaps. Thank you.